right, boys and girls, it is time for the blue book. We're going to listen to more sounds of words, and we're going to take the sounds apart, and we're going to put the sounds together and do all kinds of crazy stuff with words and sounds in words. So the last couple of weeks we've worked on the blends. We've done the L blends like sl and pull. And then we did the S blends like st and sk. And today, this week, we're going to work on some R blends like this. So we have the GR, grr, like a dog would say, grr. TR, tur. PR, purr. CR, cur. BR, burr. And FR, fur. Okay? So a lot of the words that we work with today, not all of them, but most of them are going to have one of these R blends in them, okay? Let's start with rhyming words. I'm going to give you 2 words, and if they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they do not rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Are you ready? Here we go. First is drove, grove. Yes, they rhyme. Good job. Grin, green. No, they do not rhyme. They have the same beginning sound. And we know that words with the same beginning sounds do not rhyme. They've got to have a different beginning sound to stay the same at the end. Bread, head. Yes, they rhyme. Gruff, grow. No, they do not rhyme. Brown, crown. Yes, they both end with own. Drum, from. Yes, they both end with Good job. Branch, bring. They don't rhyme. Frost, front. They don't rhyme either. Trap, try. And the last one, dunk, trunk. Yes, they both end with unk. Good job. You're getting better at rhyming words. I know it. All right, now we're going to do beginning sounds. Repeat after me. Grade. Gur, gur, gur. G-R. Listen for those R blends at the beginning. Try. Tur, tur, tur. T-R. Print. Purr, purr, purr. P-R. Crow. Cur, cur, cur. C-R. It could be K-R, but today we're working with C-R. Brave. Burr, burr, burr. B-R. From. Fur, fur, fur. F-R. Good job. All right, get your choppers out right here. I'm going to give you some sounds, and then you're going to put those sounds together to make the word. Here we go. Eyes. Fries. Grass. Grass. Robe. Probe. Ale. Trail. Bridge. Bridge. Creek. Creek. Good job. Rain. Drain. Fruit. fruit. Trip. Trip. Good job, everybody. Now let's listen for some. Ooh, we're going to do middle sounds. I thought it was ending sounds, but it looks like it's that middle vowel sound we're going to listen to. So instead of punching out the ending sound, we're going to use a roller coaster to find the middle vowel sound. So beginning, middle, end. Let's do one for practice. Let's do glad. G-l-ad. A, and you're going to tell me the vowel sound you hear in the middle. It could be A, E, I, O, or U. Here we go. Climb. Climb. I. Good job. Climb. Steam. Steam. E. Good job. Trap. App. A. Good job. Truck. U. The U is the tricky vowel. Float. Oat. O. Oh, good job. Stop. Up. O says good job. All right, next we're going to get out our breakers. So I'm going to give you a word and you're going to chop up the beginning, the middle, and the ending sound, okay? First word is prune. P-r-oon. Prune. Good job. From. From. Good. Drag. Ag. Drag. Train. Ain. Train. Brain. Ain. Brain. Good job. That's a fun one. Crab. Ab. Crab. Drum. Drum. Freeze. Ease. Freeze. All right, good job. Now we're going to add a beginning sound to an R blend. We're going to make an R blend with a new word, okay? So first word is rep. Add t. Trap. Good job. Right. Add b. Bright. Rash. Add k. Crash. Rill. Add d. Drill. Ray. Add g. Gray. Good job, everybody. Now we're going to take away those beginning sounds to help you hear just the word with the R at the beginning, okay? Trip. Take away t. Rip. Good job. Brag. Take away b. Rag. Prince. Take away p. Rinse. Drink. Take away d. Rink. Fruit. Take away root. Good job, everybody. And our last one we're going to do is we're going to change that beginning R blend to make a new word. So the first word I want you to repeat after me is fries. Change fur to tur. Tries. Trace. Change tur to gur. Grace. Frank. Change fur to purr. Prank. Cry. Change cur to fur. Fry. Press. Change purr to dur. Dress. Awesome job today, guys. Those are the R blends. And here they are again. Read them with me. G-R, grr, like in grapes. T-R, tur, like in tree. P-R, purr, like in present. C-R, cur, like in crazy. B-R, burr, like in branch. And F-R, fur, like in freeze. Okay, those are your R blends. We will do some more of these later on this week when I see you again for the next Blue Book. Have a great day, everybody.